Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. When you hear the words keratin treatment, what comes to mind? Comment below. I'm curious about how everyone interprets this. Keratin treatment, often referred to as the Brazilian keratin treatment or Brazilian blowout, was originally developed for managing thick and unmanageable hair textures common among Brazilians. But today, it's a global solution for all hair types, offering softer, shinier, and bouncier hair. Just search DIY keratin treatment online and you'll find over 500 unique methods. Today, I'll explain what keratin treatment is, how to do it at home, and the essential do's and don'ts to get salon-quality results. Keratin is a protein found in hair. Sometimes, this protein breaks down, making hair feel rough and unmanageable. While salon treatments like keratin, smoothing, and rebonding can help, they often use harsh chemicals. DIY keratin treatments at home have no side effects and can be modified as needed. They offer amazing results without the risks associated with salon treatments. For frequency, if you have low porosity hair, do this once a month. If you have high porosity hair, do it once every 15 days. Salon treatments involve washing, blow drying, applying keratin cream, and ironing. The keratin creams used in salons release harmful formaldehyde gas. Frequent heat application can also damage hair permanently. Our home remedies are safe, natural, and free of toxic gases. Here's how you can do it at home. Ingredients: 3 egg whites or whole eggs if not used recently, -1 tablespoon honey and natural humectant, 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil for smoothness. Preparation: whisk the egg whites or whole eggs until foamy, mix in honey and olive oil. For application, hair should be neither freshly washed nor dirty. Detangle your hair. Dampen your hair slightly. Section your hair and apply the keratin cream from scalp to tips. Tie your hair and wear a shower cap to keep it moist. After 45 minutes, shampoo as usual and let your hair air dry. You'll be amazed at the results. This method is simple and effective without the need for any harsh chemicals or complicated procedures. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.